Hi guys, so today I am doing a shoot, so I thought I'd film the drive there. So I've got Film Max up because I really have left him to like, I don't know, 50 miles or something like that. So yeah, I'll fill him up and show you guys. So this shoot is for Enemy magazine, which is really cool. It's a bit different, so not really to do with cars today, but I thought I'd film the journey anyway. Okay. Now I'm hoping that I put it in a better position this time. We'll see how it goes. Yep, I need to fill up. Oh dear. Okay, we're best to fill up, I think. This quick. So my last video, if you've watched it, at the end said that I wanted new requests to do pictures, because I'd just had loads. The ones that did really well were just my butt and the M4 basically, and I said in the video I don't really want to be known for that because it doesn't like inspire me and it doesn't inspire other people. And then last night I posted one of those pictures because I simply hadn't taken any more, and I was about to post it and then like something like stopped me, and I thought, oh yeah, it's because I feel like I shouldn't have to post this to get likes or whatever. And then I realised that the only reason I don't like doing it is because I feel that I'm judged, and so I just posted it anyway because I need to get rid of that feeling of being judged, because I should do whatever I want to do. And to be honest, that's what my followers want. They want pictures of me and the M4, that's why they follow me. And just because some people think that it's not right that I post pictures like that, I mean there's so many comments on there, like I think it's on like 9,000 likes at the moment, but there are negative comments on there, and the post was about peace. It was crazy. Okay guys, so it's about 5 in the morning and I'm just off to the Warren Classic show with Dub Customs. I washed my car late last night. It's the only chance I got, so I'm hoping for the best. So I will record my journey today, but I'm just being really quiet because it's so early. So I'm just on my way to Warren Classic. So I shall get the postcode and be on my way. I think I've got to get fuel at some point as well. It's becoming a common theme, but when you've got a high performance, you do find that you spend a lot more time at the petrol station. Or in a Classic. You know what, it's best if I just look at the post itself that I posted. Okay. What I do really like about this car is like how easy it is to navigate, because of the iDrive system, like all BMWs have, and it's just this little dial here, no faffing around the touchscreen or anything, because that actually just causes more anguish. It's literally just turning a dial, and it's so quick, it's unbelievable. Yeah, so I was saying I washed my car, like, literally the only chance I had was last night, and it was like basically too late, you know. Oh, heated seats, I've missed you. later on, because like I said, there's loads of horses around me, so I should probably record when it's light. So I'm gonna do that. So keep watching. Okay, so I've been driving for about an hour. Yeah, about an hour now, and yeah, it's been really clear roads, obviously. So like, it's Sunday morning for a start. So the time is just gone 6, and I'm due to arrive at 10 to 8 because I had to stop and get fuel. But I forgot how nice it was driving like before the sun comes up, because you gradually see it come up, and it's just so nice, especially in this car. And I don't know, just I love driving this car at night because I've got all the lights set up to be like red, and I thought like it had been like the lights had been blue for ages, and I just changed the settings to red. I was like, oh, that's quite cool and sporty. And then I got in my my first car, the Fiesta, the other day, and I realised that I have it red in here because I had it red in there. It probably comforts me in some way, I don't know. I mean, red's like a dangerous colour, but oh yeah, you can see it there. I don't know, it just seems really classy at night, the BMW, and I don't know why. I've always liked modern cars at night, like sitting in them. I think it must be the lighting and stuff. And then the Silverstone seats as well, they just feel really nice, look really nice at night. Anyway, so I'm on to Warren Classic now, towards Essex. Yeah, and I really don't know what to expect. Like, I'm so excited because I've heard like on the Dub Custom stand there's going to be 2 Ferrari Enzos.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Take it down this way.
Down that way?
Yeah, please.
And a Bugatti Veyron. Like, if you've been following my Instagram for 2 years, you'll know that Ferrari Enzo is the ultimate, like, dream car. Like, I don't know if I could have one because I wouldn't drive it, because it would be that special, and then it would just be sat in a garage or something. But like, I am absolutely in love with them, which is really strange for me because I often prefer like really modern cars, like really modern ones. Like, I think classics are lovely, but my preference is like a modern car. So the Enzo, I think it's 2004. It really shocked me that like I really loved it, like more than a lot of new cars like Aventador and stuff. I prefer the Enzo, and I think that's just down to Ferrari thinking ahead, and it doesn't look like it's 2004, you know, it looks modern to a certain extent, and yeah, it's just, I love it so much. Maybe it's because of the price. But yeah, I love the Enzo, so I'm really excited. I can't believe there's going to be 2, and a Bugatti Veyron. Just insane. So, you know, me and Max, I don't know, will we be intimidated by that? Nah. I'd have an M4 over anything any day, which is why I've got one. But yes, I was going to talk about this. So I've got this car on a lease for 2 years, and in November I'll have the first year up, so then it's a year left, and I've got the choice to keep it at the end for if I pay the lump sum, and I don't know what to do. Do I keep the M4 or do I go for something else? What do you think I should go for? Because I'm sort of thinking that I might get something that's not new, because I've only ever had new cars, and I don't know, I think it'd be quite eye-opening and cool. I don't know. And I'm really fond of the Lotus Elise.
Strictly last night in your stint.
No, watch that shit. Oh, the sky looks amazing, guys. Maybe you'll see it in the background, like once I get round. My dad was supposed to come with me, but unfortunately he's got really bad cold. I think it might be flu. It was looking really rough, and I was gutted, to be honest, because like I would have loved to take my dad to something that he used to take me to. Like he used to take me to events like this in his sports car, whatever he had at the time, and I used to love it. So, and we got him on the insurance for the M4 as well today. So when I get back tonight, I'm just gonna let him take it out for a spin because he'll still be insured on it for the day. So yeah, but he's really ill, and bless him, he got ready and everything, and he was sniffling and was asking me if there was a place that he could lie down at the show if he needed to, and I just thought, you know, I appreciate that he was really like trying to make the effort, but yeah, we both knew that he's too ill to come, which is a real shame. But I'm looking forward to seeing him tonight and telling him all about it, and then yeah, I can't wait for him to drive this car, because if it wasn't for him, then I would never have got into cars. I wouldn't even know what this was, apart from being a BMW. So I really am looking forward to seeing the smile on his face when he drives this. It'll be the best thing ever. When my dad drives like a sports car, he has the most amazing smile on his face, and I don't know, I really like it. So I've just driven past an Audi Q2. What do people think of them? I'm not sure about them, because they kind of look like the BMW X1, but not as good. Does anyone like the Q2? I'm not sure. I think I like it, but I don't know. It's an odd thing. Search it. Audi Q2. It's quite new because that was a 67 plate. So this month. So this is the Q2 that I was talking about in the car earlier. And let me know what you think of this. I'm still not sure. I like the colour, I think it's Nardo. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of the Audi Q2. And also, I'd love to know what your favourite car is. I want to count how many of them are BMWs, because I need to know my demographic. Like, am I just doing these videos for BMW lovers, or am I doing it for car lovers in general? In which case I'll have to diversify my videos a bit. Well, I guess this video is going to have loads of different stuff in it, but yeah. What's your sort of preference on cars? Because then I can adjust my content to suit you guys. Because at the moment I feel, yeah, it's just BMWs that I'm doing at the moment, isn't it? Oh, the purple. Yep, I'm just going slowly, just driving at the speed that I've been driving the whole time. Oh my goodness, this van, I need to get away from there, swerving all over the place. What are they doing? I think he's on the phone. Dear me. That's silly. I'm sort of over this whole judgmental thing on Instagram, because I've realised that it just doesn't matter to me, and every negative thing that is said to me is making me stronger. And I read this in a book recently that you can look at it two ways. You can mope around and stop doing what you're doing just because people don't approve of it, or you can do whatever you want to do and just treat the negativity as a blessing, because it's turning you into a stronger person. Like I still am scared of rejection, and it's got so much better recently because of the negative comments as my what triggers people, and I'm understanding why they're saying certain things. And every time it's always to do with them. They'll try and belittle you to make themselves feel better, but in the long run it doesn't. And I don't feel any bad feelings towards these people when they give me negative comments, because I know that it's not about me, and I just want to like help these people. So on the negative comments, some of them I don't read the comments anymore, because I see them if I see them, and if I don't, then I don't. I feel that looking through every single comment might not be right for me right now, because I'm not quite there yet where I can deal with everything. And I feel like if I read all those, I think there's 100 something comments, and I know a lot of them are negative, so I don't think I'm ready to read them all, but the ones that I see I can deal with. So there was this one comment saying that I had a fake ass or whatever, and I went on the girl's profile and I liked some of her pictures, and I commented on it saying that she's doing really well and she looks amazing. And then I went back on, and I felt so good. I felt so good about doing that, because that's what she needs to hear right now. And the guy commented on it saying how I was just showing my ass to get attention. Oh, look at me, blah 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 blah. So comment along the lines of that. And I said, okay, fair enough, yeah, that is what I'm doing, but I'm not embarrassed about it. And I went on his profile and I liked some of his posts, and there was one about like a motivational business thing, and I said, thank you for sharing this, like it's really helped me. And I've decided that I'm going to do that now. I just think it's so important, and I'm going to do that every time now. I'm going to, if I see a negative comment, I'm not going to respond negatively, because I never really have liked that or done that, I don't think. And I'm going to take it on the chin, and I'm going to go on their profile, and I am going to post something nice on their profile, like some pictures, and just give them the positivity that they need right now, because I feel so amazing doing that. Like, and I hope that it helps. I really hope that it, and if everybody did that, then I think people would stop being negative. I really do, because that's not them. The people that are negative, that's not them. Something's upset them inside, and that's their way of dealing with it. So we just need to change that negative feeling inside, and then they won't go on someone else's profile and post something negative. They'll pass on the positive feeling, won't they? Because I've always been like, why are people horrible? Like, I can't imagine posting something like someone like posting a picture of themselves at me. I can't imagine commenting something nasty, because I'd think about how I feel about that. I would just never do it. In fact, I don't look at a picture and think anything horrible. I look at a picture of somebody they've posted themselves online, and I think, good for you. But now I'm starting to understand what triggers people, and I'm starting to sympathise with them and work out ways in which I can help them. And when I think about it like that, it then becomes an opportunity rather than something negative. When someone posts something horrible on one of my pictures, it's an opportunity for me to help them now. So I don't see it as anything bad anymore. I just see it as my calling to help them. And that's probably one of my favourite things to do, is help people. You know, I love it. So I've got to go through a Dartford tunnel and pay a charge. Wow. That is cheeky. Has anyone been through Dartford tunnel? Why do I have to pay? Thanks for the warning, but it's too late because I'm on the road. People got to make their monies. I understand that. Oh, it's such a lovely day. I'm so happy about it. I love people that post nice stuff on my pictures, and I'm not just going to comment for the negative people. Every positive comment I always reply to, at least I try, if I see it, I like it and I reply. So I'm going to do more of that as well. So, and if you post a positive comment and I go on your profile and like I really like it, I'm just going to follow you, because I'm not following enough people. And a while ago, well, not a while ago, maybe last month, I posted something on my social media account saying that everybody that posts me as their woman crush from Wednesday, I'll follow back. And that was so fun. Like, I've followed some really amazing people that I wouldn't have known about if I hadn't done that. So I'm going to do that again as well. So everybody that reposts my picture, I'm going to follow on Woman Crush Wednesday, which would be cool. Oh, I love tunnels. Wait, I didn't even realise. Oh, that's friggin' awesome. Oh, you know, if there wasn't nothing. I've got to be really careful what I say, haven't I? But yeah, love tunnels. Oh, rolly? That's pretty cool. I need some contacts. If someone wants their car on my Instagram and a picture, and I will just put it all on my Instagram. You know, I would really appreciate it if, you know, I had more cars to vlog about, because there's only so much I can say about my M4. Like, I really want to do some professional video shoots in it. So I'll set that up, and I think that would be quite cool. But oh yeah, you guys can sort of see the sun now. It's just rising in the sky. It's nice. I know I say this every time, but I love it when you guys give me requests on what to talk about. Like last time it was like entrepreneur, and this time I'm just basically vlogging my time at Warren Classic show with Dub Customs. But what next? Do you want to see how I've improved in cleaning my car from my comments last time? Guys, you helped me so much. Like, I mean, I was getting mixed signals with what to do, but you know, Jeff, since he's seen my video, he's given me some pointers to improve what I was doing, which is awesome. I'm going to stop filming my drive now, but I will catch up with you at the show. Okay, so just arrived at the Warren. So I'm parked next to Paul Wallace's M3, which is really cool. I'll just show you quick. The wrap is by Dub Customs. Wow, it's pretty cool that I'm right next to it. So cool. So there's an event door at the end as well. Okay, so I've found the Audis. This is the RS6. I think this is Sepang, I can't remember colours. Yeah, if I had to have a family car, it would be that. Okay, so I found the C63S AMG. I really like how smooth the edges are on this car. But that's about it. No, I'm joking. So there's still a V8, which is really awesome. That looks like the new RS5. Yes, it is. That's so sick. What the hell is happening? So we're doing the Aventador. It's hard on grass. Okay. How do I... Okay, so that's off. Now to open the door. I don't know how to get out. I don't know how to get out, guys. So yeah, got GTR there, and then I think that's Archie's AMG. Oh yeah, look at the back there. So yeah, I was super careful on that drive, but it's really hard because there's like a difference between stopping and then going really quick. Like there's no, it feels like there's no in between. And like the wheels were spinning a bit because we're on the grass, and I think there's a bit of condensation, so, but I'm still trying to work out how to get out. And I want to say it's that thing, but just in case that injects me out the sea or something, I don't want to pull it. But yeah, this is pretty awesome. Finally in the Lambo.
I know what this one is.
So that's a Lambo
Mura,
wow.
I believe.
They look so different, don't they, now?
Yeah, they're always a lot smaller, aren't they?
Yeah.
Than actually what cars are like.
Yeah,
does its doors go up, like gull wings or anything?
No, I don't think this one does.
This like set a new. If there was, it's the roof one of the ones.
These are really expensive ones. Oh wow.
Yeah, that's the cover spot. You shouldn't really look at this, right? Because putting you back to...
No, I won't worry about that.
Okay.
Wait, so how many million? 9 million.
$9 million, yeah. But there's only one of them.
I'm really paranoid I'm going to trip and crash into it.
I was walking around it really close, and then he said how much it was worth. I was like...
Wow. 9 million. Yeah, that's awesome.
434, mine's a 450 for one of them. That's a small Chevrolet, mine.
Yeah, there's got a supercharger on it.
Straight up Zonda. Oh, TDX.
To be fair, I'll probably go with Honda.
Still going with that Miura.
Actually,
Oh,
no,
wow.
I'm going for Lamborghini. I'm holding my guns.
Yeah.
I'm holding my guns now.
One of one.
The white one.
Yeah.
That's what makes sense.
I was actually looking at, that was one of the same ones.
That is absolutely mental. The whole thing's carbon.
Yeah.
I love it, isn't it great?
That's insane.
Yeah. We need to replicate it. But once you see it, you can't unsee it. They slightly changed it, but on the other one, smiley faces. This one's they've kind of made it even, like a 2 eyes and a nose.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
It is, isn't
That
it?
is really cool.
Yeah, everything's all bespoke. You won't see any switch gear from a Ford in this, or an Audi.
How much is this car?
$500,000, million? I really wouldn't know.
Oh, it's like an airplane at the back, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, you've got cars over there. Go and look at it. No, there's double. No, that. But to be honest, that's the plan, is it?
Yeah.
That's a GT. That's a McLaren.
Alicia, this is the one you need to...
This, the TVR.
Yeah, that's the one you need to concentrate on.
That's a nice colour, isn't it?
That's pretty mental.
I don't know about this.
Somebody challenged Ferrari.
Yeah,
Yeah, those sidey saws.
Big having something like that,
Really? Yeah. Decaf the head top. Yeah.
We'll do it. We'll happily do it, but
Make it mental.
It's the
Allowed to sit in it or not?
don't know.
No one's asked. Got a little badge embroidered into the leather there.
Oh yeah, that's lovely.
I don't.
come on. The only way
Do it again.
Look, it's literally